Ready to fall in love with Ireland? Because today, we're taking you on the most insane trip across the Emerald Isle. Top 11 most beautiful places you have the chance to see. We were thrilled to plan this ultimate Irish adventure, and we're packing it all into the next couple minutes for you. This isn't just a travel guide, it's a challenge to see the absolute best. Places that look like they're from another planet, ancient castles with crazy legends, roads so beautiful they'll make your jaw drop. We literally went to the edge of the world, cliffs that plunge into the ocean. We explored castles where you can kiss a stone for a superpower. Seriously, we took a boat to a secret island used in Star Wars. You won't believe some of what we're about to see. This is the ultimate Ireland bucket list. We've ranked them. Number 1 will blow your mind. So buckle up. Get ready for an epic journey. All right, kicking off our list at number 11, we are at the cliffs of Moher. And let us tell you, the pictures you've seen online do not do this place justice. It is absolutely insane. Standing there feels like standing on the set of a fantasy movie. The wind is whipping. You can hear the waves crashing hundreds of feet below, and the view just goes on forever. It's one of the most famous places in Ireland for a reason. It gets crowded, but along the trail you can find spots that feel like you have the whole place to yourself. These cliffs stretch for over 14 kilometers, about 8 miles, rising to 214 meters, 702 feet, straight up from the Atlantic. Looking down is terrifying, but in the best way possible. The visitor center is built into the hillside, almost like a hobbit house, with exhibits on geology and wildlife. Thousands of seabirds, including puffins, nest on these cliffs. We brought binoculars and watched for an hour. We walked the coastal path. The official trail is safe with stone barriers. Avoid the dirt paths to the edge. It's seriously dangerous. Feeling sea spray, seeing the scale, it makes you feel small and deeply connected to the planet. Bring a jacket. The Atlantic wind is no joke. It's the perfect intro to Ireland's epic landscapes. Let's go to the next spot. Next up at number 10, we are tackling the legendary Ring of Kerry. It's a 179-kilometer, 111-mile road trip, one of the most famous drives on Earth. Doing it in one day? Challenge accepted. Drive counterclockwise to avoid giant tour buses, so that's exactly what we're doing. Ridiculously narrow roads, stone walls on one side and a sheer drop on the other. It's intense. Start in Killarney and the views hit immediately. Lush valleys, sparkling lakes, rugged coastline. Ladies' View, named for Queen Victoria's ladies-in-waiting, overlooks the lakes of Killarney. A perfect panoramic that makes you go silent. Sneem's bright houses, Chaplin's Waterville, then the Ivora Peninsula coast with the wild Atlantic right beside you. Pull over, climb to a hidden beach, and have it all to yourselves. Or share it with some other beautiful people. That's the adventure. The Ring of Kerry is a highlight reel. Dramatic coastline, rolling green hills, ancient history, charming culture. Unmissable. Number 9, Giant's Causeway. Built by aliens, or, well, giants. Thousands of hexagonal basalt columns stretch from the cliffs into the sea. It doesn't look real. 60 million years ago, slow-cooling basalt cracked into perfect geometric shapes. About 40,000 columns here. It's like a natural cobblestone street into the ocean. Amazing, and respect the waves. Legend says Fionn built it to reach Scotland, then tricked the giant Bonandener into fleeing and breaking the causeway. Walk the cliff path for spectacular views. It's busy, but vast. You'll find your own patch of columns. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and a mind-bending, unforgettable experience. Pure magic. From natural wonders to cultural treasures, back to Dublin next. Number 8, we're back in the city. We're at Trinity College, Dublin. We're here to see the legendary Book of Kells, over 1,200 years old. Created by hand with feather and ink, the artistry is mind-boggling. Dramatic. We are in the long room. A 65-meter chamber, 2 tiers high, over 200,000 of the oldest books. A cathedral to knowledge, the smell of old wood, marble busts down the center, history in the air. Founded in 1592, an oasis of calm in a bustling city. An absolute must. Number 7. An enchanted forest feeling at Killarney National Park. Over 25,000 acres, mountains, lakes, woods, waterfalls, super accessible from town. We rented bikes to find Torque Waterfall, cycling through moss-covered woodlands with a canopy overhead. Total low-tar vibes. Torque Waterfall, 20 meters of roaring beauty. Spray felt amazing. We circled Muckross Lake, calm water, dense forest, swans, pure peace. Tour Muckross House and Gardens, visit Ross Castle for lake tours and panoramic views, dripping with history. Killarney is the total package. Epic mountains, serene lakes, powerful falls, historic castles, beautiful gardens. You could spend a week here and not see everything. Nature lover's paradise. Ready for something even wilder? Connemara awaits. Number 6. Connemara. Wild, rugged, hauntingly beautiful. Windswept bogs, dark lakes, stark, lonely mountains. The definition of wild Ireland. You could climb Diamond Hill, steep, windy, and rewarded with a 360-degree panorama of peaks, islands, and bogland. Iconic Connemara ponies roam the landscape. Tough, beautiful, a little shy. Magical to watch. Kylemore Abbey appears like a fairy tale castle. Tour the abbey and its lush walled garden, an oasis in rugged bogland. We looped the Sky Road near Clifton, unbelievable Atlantic views. Number 5. Skellig Michael. Difficult, expensive, weather dependent. Our trip was canceled twice. An hour on the rough Atlantic, then the island rises from the mist like a jagged fang. Over 600 ancient stone steps carved by monks 1,300 years ago. No handrails, steep, exposed, terrifying, and worth it. At the top, perfectly preserved beehive huts, seabirds, and silence. Not a tourist attraction, a pilgrimage. Yes, Luke Skywalker's island. We are literally standing on Ach 2. Life-changing. Book far ahead, be flexible, pray for weather. If you make it, it will stay with you forever. Number 4. Blarney Castle. Most famous, most touristy, most fun. Explore ruins, climb winding staircases, and emerge on the battlements with epic views. The Blarney Stone sits below the parapet. You lie back, grip the rails, lean over a drop. Terrifying, but safe and hilarious. 60 acres of gardens. Poison garden, rock close, witch's kitchen, waterfalls, and woods. Worth a full day. Number 3. The Burren, like the surface of the moon. The name means great rock. Perfect. As far as you can see, vast limestone pavement, almost no trees. It feels like another planet. Paradox. Arctic, alpine, and Mediterranean plants side by side. Orchids and gentians blooming in the rock. Over 500 ring forts, 90-plus megalithic tombs. Poulnabrone Dolmen stands over 5,000 years. Elwee Cave reveals stalactites, an underground waterfall, an extinct bear remains. A hidden world below. Stark yet beautiful. Ancient yet full of life. It challenges your perception and captures your imagination. We're near the end. Number 2, the Dingle Peninsula. Like the Ring of Kerry's cooler, more rugged, less crowded sister. Dramatic scenery, ancient history, vibrant culture. Slayhead clings to the edge of the coastline, narrow, winding, and breathtaking. Cumminal Beach, turquoise even on cloudy days. Unreal. Archaeology is everywhere. Gallerist oratory, beehive huts, you stumble on history every 5 minutes. We stopped to hold a baby lamb. Yes, really. Softest, cutest moment of the trip. End in Dingletown. Colorful harbor and live traditional music. Perfect day, we made it. Number 1, the Rock of Cashel. A massive rock rising from a flat green plain, crowned with one of Europe's most spectacular medieval complexes. Cathedral, Cormac's Chapel, a round tower, ancient graves and crosses, myths of St. Patrick and Kings of Munster echo here. Roofless cathedral open to the sky, dramatic and deeply spiritual. Every angle is a perfect photograph. From the top, panoramic Tipperary fields, Cashel is a landscape like nowhere else. Epic location, incredible architecture, 1,000 years of legend, the quintessential Irish landmark. If you can only visit one historical site, make it Cashel. Unforgettable. And those were our top 11 unmissable, absolutely insane places to visit in Ireland. What a trip! Fast recap. Here's all 11 again. From the edge-of-the-world cliffs of Moher to the legendary Rock of Cashel, this country is packed with mind-blowing experiences. We drove terrifyingly narrow roads, climbed a Jedi temple, kissed a magic stone, held a baby lamb, and explored otherworldly landscapes. Ireland completely exceeded all expectations, and we only scratched the surface. We hope this guide inspires your own Irish adventure. The scenery is epic, the history fascinating, and the people are some of the friendliest we've ever met. It's about connecting with the culture, the legends, and the wild spirit of the Emerald Isle. We're already dreaming about coming back. If you enjoyed this Ultimate Ireland guide and you're ready to book your own flight, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more insane travel challenges and guides, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next adventure. Let us know in the comments which of these 11 places you want to visit the most. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.